This state-of-the-art factory has been equipped with our advanced machinery. Designed for precision, efficiency, and durability, it's the backbone of this impressive operation. Our customers' feedback speaks volumes about the seamless installation and user-friendly interface of our machines. From setup to full-scale production, the journey has been smooth and efficient. Here's what they had to say.
The equipment from Zicar Machine has revolutionized our production line. The support from Zicar Machine has been exceptional, ensuring that our setup was hassle-free and our operations run flawlessly.
Join the ranks of successful businesses, transforming their production capabilities with Zicar Machine. Visit us at zicarmachine.com to learn more about our innovative solutions.